Do you know you can be pregnant without knowing for up to 20 weeks or close to your delivery?
Not be
This is
juju be
what we
that.
refer to as cryptic pregnancy. It is not the kind of pregnancy your village people or religious leader tell you that no one can see it, not even a scan except them. Well, this condition is not common, and studies have shown that one out of about 500 pregnancies is not noticed until 20 weeks. Likewise, about one out of 2,500 pregnancies is not noticed until close to delivery. Usually, majority of pregnancies are detected between 4 and 12 weeks because of missed period and pregnancy symptoms. It can be suspected with the use of a pregnancy test strip with a positive result and confirmed by a pelvic scan. However, in the case of cryptic pregnancy, the pregnancy might go undetected for several weeks in certain conditions. One of the conditions is in women who are breastfeeding. When a woman is breastfeeding, she's not supposed to see her menses. And once she's not seeing her menses, she doesn't ovulate. And they can stay for several months without seeing their period. However, sometimes they can ovulate without knowing, and it results into a pregnancy. Because they already have the idea that they are not menstruating, they can stay for several weeks without noticing they are pregnant. The second condition is in women that have PCOS, which we refer to as polycystic ovarian syndrome. In this disease condition, women usually have irregular menstruation in which they can stay for several months without seeing their menses, and many of them do not also ovulate. So sometimes in these women, if they ovulate, they might be pregnant and they would not know, and the pregnancy might have advanced to up to like 20 weeks or even close to their delivery without them being getting to know that they are pregnant. The third condition is in women that are using contraceptive. Sometimes this contraceptive can prevent them from seeing their menses regularly. They can stay for several months without seeing their menses, resulting into irregular menstruation. And failure rate of 2% has been recorded, meaning that out of 100% of women that are using contraceptive, 2% can actually fail, resulting into pregnancy. And when these women are pregnant, they might not notice, however, they are pregnant. The fourth one is in women that are close to their menopause. Usually, a woman does not just stop menstruating suddenly. The menstruation, first of all, becomes irregular, in which she can stay for several months without seeing her menses before it finally stops. So women in this age bracket might actually get pregnant without them being knowing, because they might even feel again that they are too old to get pregnant, usually around 40 years old. The last but not the least is in a lady who has never been pregnant before. Such lady can get pregnant without her noticing, because she has never been pregnant before. She doesn't know how it feels to be pregnant, especially if she is not surrounded by experienced people. However, having talked about cryptic pregnancy, it is not different from the normal pregnancy. If you do a pregnancy test, you are going to have a positive result, and if you do a scan, you are going to detect your baby on the scan.
Good health na happiness.